Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. 1. I have lived here blank 2020. A. For. B. Since. C. From. D. By. Answer, B. Since. 2. Which sentence uses the present perfect tense? A. I finished my homework yesterday. B. I have finished my homework. C. I finish my homework every day. D. I was finishing my homework. Answer, B. I have finished my homework. 3. The keys are blank the table. A. On. B. In. C. At. D. By. Answer, A. On. 4. Everyone blank ready for the meeting. A. Are. B. Were. C. Is. D. Be. Answer, C. Is. 5. What is the past tense of teach? A. Teached. B. Teaching. C. Teaches. D. Taught. Answer, D. Taught. 6. Which word is the opposite of difficult? A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Complex. D. Challenging. Answer, A. Easy. 7. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She doesn't likes coffee. B. She don't like coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. D. She not like coffee. Answer, C. She doesn't like coffee. 8. She has been studying blank 3 hours. A. Since. B. For. C. From. D. By. Answer, B. For. 9. Which word is an antonym of expand? A. Increase. B. Enlarge. C. Shrink. D. Extend. Answer, C. Shrink. 10. If I blank your phone number, I would call you. A. Knew. B. Know. C. Knows. D. Knowing. Answer, A. Knew.